everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a get ready with me. It's really, I guess, natural kind of glam. Like, it's not anything over the top. It's literally the basic glam if you want to look pretty on a day-to-day. So this is like basically a chit chat, get ready with me, catch up. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look and just chat with me, then please keep watching. Hi everyone, I'm back. It's been a while and I've got so much to catch you up on. So if you're watching this, come say hi, say where you're from, because I want to get to know you. I want to know who's watching. So say, oh, I didn't prime my eye. Oh well. So say where you're watching from, say if you're watching, say if you're new. So yeah, I'm back. I have got a few little things to say. I've had 2 piercings done, just FYI. You knew about the first one. A couple of people noticed the second one. And I want to know how many of you have rabbits. I know it's such a random thing to say, but I know I didn't prime that eye, but we're just going with it. Yeah, so I want to know how many of you have rabbits, and because I'm thinking about getting another one. When I say I'm thinking about it, I'm like way overthinking about it. So basically, I've got 2 rabbits. Well, I had 2 rabbits. Had 2 rabbits last year. His brother, so I had 2 brothers. They didn't really get on that well. Like lately, well, I say lately, but the latest that they were together, they were actually okay. They had a few little tiffs, but they were alright, whereas they used to fight really bad. So they were actually a lot better. And then I was kind of like getting them to bond with each other a little bit again, because I'd split them up. And then one I've got now is called Squidge, and his brother died. And he was really, really sad. Like, you could just tell, even though they didn't share a hutch or anything, you could just tell that he knew that his brother wasn't there, like the smell and the scent and everything like that. So I'm actually on the search for a single bunny, which is not hard. It's not easy, because literally any bunny from a rescue centre is already paired. Sorry, I need to find... I know I shouldn't put my phone there. That's the situation that I'm kind of in, is that I've got to find, which I think I have found one. Obviously I have to go and see what she's like, because my rabbit now is honestly such a good rabbit. He has never scratched me or bitten me or anything like that. And so, yeah, I'm kind of rambling, but so yeah, I just want to find my bunny a wife, basically. Do you know, I thought my brow wasn't going to go as well at all, because I really need to like pluck them, which I haven't really waxed my brows in ages anymore. I kind of just pluck them. Maybe I should show you how I do that one day. So yeah, if you have rabbits, please say. I want to know your experiences, if you've bonded rabbits or anything like that. Real situation here. I actually don't know what I'm doing with my makeup, by the way. I'm just kind of going with it. And yes, I've got no fake tan on. I've got no nails on. Like, I honestly feel like a bit of a boy. Plus, I don't dress exactly girly. I sometimes do. Like yesterday, I had a red dress on, but it was like a jumper dress. Actually, why am I using that? I think I'm just going to go for something really natural, which, by the way, I hate this bit. Can you see that? It's like an indentation of my muscle. I don't even know how I can get rid of it. There you go, look. How annoying is that? I hate that so much. This side doesn't have it. But it also looks like I've got like a big smudge of eyeshadow, and honestly, it bugs me. But anyway, I just thought I'd say it because it's been bugging me more lately. Also, forehead update. Still going strong. And I do like it that I've still got, like, I can still frown. That was what I was most worried about, because I frown a lot. I feel like I haven't done makeup in ages. I feel like I can't do it. Yeah, and I bought some nails because quite a few of you asked me about the nails that I posted on, I think it was Snapchat or something, and they were from Primark. I had loads of compliments on it, however they just came off really quick, and you know that I always use stick-ons anyway because I'm allergic to acrylic and gel. I know, I'm weird, but you know, that's just life with me. Everything seems to be different. So yeah, I've got my new car. I will show you her like properly one day. Also, I wanted to, I might do a video on it, to be fair, because I feel like I need to, like, not rant, but like do a little discussion. So basically, hi baby. So sorry, that's my dog. So basically, YouTube has a new legislation policy where if you are a new or a small creator, they're taking away monetization. So basically this means the ads on the videos, that is how you get paid from YouTube, which I have never really gotten much because I'm not big and I don't get loads and loads of views. However, it's still the possibility of being able to grow, that they've kind of taken that away. And I wouldn't say I don't agree with it, like, because I get why I guess they've done it in certain aspects of it. However, it's kind of just a little bit disheartening. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say, but I was thinking it's kind of, because you get into this like situation where you're thinking about views and you're thinking about this could be actually real potential to like work and be a job, whereas now it's kind of taken that away from me in a way. However, it's kind of made me think, oh, it doesn't matter about views anymore, I'm just going to do it for what I like. And so I don't know, I don't hate it, but at the same time I feel like a lot of people, it's taken away their potential, because I think it's one of the aspects is you have to hit 1,000 subscribers, which I have hit. However, I earned a lot of YouTube money before I hit 1,000 subscribers, so I'm sure a lot of people are affected by it, that aren't high-end subscribers but get a lot of views, because it's possible. So I don't know, but anyway, I was going to say, I got lost, went off on a tangent then. What I was going to say is I might start doing some like animal videos as well, because obviously that is what I am into as well. Obviously makeup is my job, but like animals I guess is a bit of a hobby. A lot of people would say like it's a weird hobby because I just love animals. Like I could literally just, I wish I could adopt so many. Obviously I'm not going to, but I am going to adopt another rabbit. I think it's kind of like set in stone now. So you know, so if you've got rabbits, please say, oh, this isn't going to go well today, I can feel it. This is the weirdest thing. I've seen like YouTubers use this. Well, to be fair, it does work, but it's very scary. So obviously this is like a real kind of not natural but kind of glam. Can you hear that wind, by the way? Awful. So I'm going to be using two shades. This is the lightest shade that we do, and I mean it's basically me, isn't it? Which just, oh, I was going to use two shades, but I'm going to be this one, aren't I? Like I say, I've got no fake tan on or anything like that. So yeah. By the way, this is the first time I'm doing makeup since I had my derma planning done. So if you guys don't know what that is, it's basically a facial. It's like a little knifey thing. Okay, so my skin does look good. So I'm just filming a little bit as well. I mean, I look so pale, but doesn't my skin look so good? There's a few different ones. But yeah, it's just so much ag, like especially if you pay like 40 quid or something for like a full set of nails and then you're allergic to them, like that's just not good. Because the last time I had them done, I had to take them off like within 4 hours, like my fingers were burning, and obviously that is not good for anyone. Yes, and SNS, that's what I've had. So what is it like chemicals, or how do they do that? Because like, you know, like acrylic and gel, it's like gel is set in the UV machine thing. I paid 40 for mine, they're amazing. Interested to know like how that happens, isn't it? You literally go in and be like, can you just do one nail? Yeah, can you message me? Can you also send me a picture of what they look like? Someone recommended SNS to me before, however I've never tried it, but I'd be interested. However, I do like the stick-ons because they're quite easy to just pick off if you decide to do like another colour or another shape, but we'll see. Now, which is just honestly heartbreaking because I need a new one. Look how much I've used of this, it's like empty. I'm just gonna get that a little bit under here. This setting powder is literally like my lifesaver. Oh my god, so I've had the dermaplaning done. There will be a vlog, don't you worry. You see it, it's up close. You see everything that comes off my face and it is vile. Well, it's not, because it's mainly like that fur, you know? I think it's called like peach fuzz. I think I said that in the video. Anyway, so now my skin has none of that none of that hair that's on your face, and you can just see everything like so much more clearer. Like my contour line is actually there now, like because I've hardly put any on, but that's obviously like my natural contour line. Just tied that up a little bit. So literally all I did was add a little bit of bronzer. Then let's go in with a highlight. This is my favourite highlight, which as you can see. And lately, I've been using a fluffy brush like this. I think this is the one. Yep. So this is the blending brush from my website, and I literally just get a little bit on the brush. As you can see, it's really pigmented. And I'm just gonna take a little bit. My skin feels really weird because it's like really smooth and flat and shiny. So anyway, what I do, should I go for that colour I did the other day, because that was pretty nice. That was quite good for my lips. Okay, so now let's go for the normal combo. Although let's use this one maybe. Okay, wait. Oh, for the love of God. Okay. So, what I normally do is, first of all, wipe my lips because I'm going to have foundation on them. I feel like this just zoomed in, but we'll just go with it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this lip liner. So I don't have filler. Would I even have to say that? But I use this lip liner which is called Pouty. Yeah, Pouty. Just had to check because there's another one that's really nice. And I go around my lips. So already your bottom lip looks more pouty because you just go around that line. I'm still on my lip line, but because normally you can't see the edge, like the edge of my top lip, you can see there's a white line. I literally just go over that. So I'm not drawing over it as such, I'm just drawing along it. So I'm going to do that up here. And then if you want it to look extra pouty, you can draw it in here a little bit, and here, like the outer corners, and then put a line down your lip, and then like that, and that will make the illusion that you've got like these sort of pouty lips that like, don't know what the word is. Then I go in, so obviously this is what I do so far. Then say for instance I use a lipstick like this, we could just go in this one. I literally just apply it over the top. And that's just how I do it. And then because this is lipstick, I sometimes then apply a little bit of gloss right into the middle, which also gives the illusion of it being even more plump. Maybe I'll do a video. No. Maybe I'll do a video on how to get like plump lips. So yeah, this is the finished makeup look. Let me take my hair down. Although my hair is going to look like a hive because I had it in a plait. Jesus. Someone's at the door. This is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you got some tips. Obviously, this is how I get my plump lip look. I get a lot of questions that I've got filler. I don't have filler. I do have a fuller bottom lip, so I match it with the top. But yeah, so this is my kind of natural glam get ready with me. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye.